Good morning, everyone! Welcome back to my vlog. Hala, nidagan si Mel. Running away from my vlog. So today we are going to Mabuhay Restaurant. It's a Filipino restaurant near the Thai embassy here in Vientiane, Laos. So let me introduce my friends. Hi, can you guys say hi? Hi, this is Deepak and Samita. Hello. Hi. Okay, nice. Who else is with me? Janelle. And who are you?
Hello everyone, I'm Mel.
Hailing from Cebu, Philippines. Wow, Miss Universe. So we're going to walk because it's just close by and it's not too hot. I think it's about a 10-minute walk. Si Janelle amo ang navigator. Our navigator is here. Janelle, kumusta? Asa? So we will go straight. And we should be able to see it once we're closer to the Thai embassy. Beer lao na sad guys, oh. Beer lao ang sikat na drink dire. So, magpadaplin ta aron dili ta maligsan kay lisod na guys. So guys, actually we're staying at Laong Dao Hotel. So it's only about 10 minutes away. Wow, look at that! Abandoned building or no escalator? Wow, we see the weirdest things here in Laos, no? So it's not like Bangkok where there are high-rise buildings, but it's actually more laid back and peaceful. Definitely a lot of beer Lao. And yeah, we tried going to some places before, and it was fun. It was fun. And now we're really looking forward to more Filipino food. Kaya we don't eat a lot of Filipino food in Thailand. Kaya mahal. Pero diri hopefully mas barato siya. We're gonna go to a local restaurant. Hi Mel! Hello! So Mel, share gamay sa mga nahitabo karon nga adlaw. So unsa man tong orasan ng mata?
9 a.m. na tani mata. It's because we are hangover.
Ikaw na atang may hangover dai.
Uy, actually na-enjoy na ako diri sa Lao. Very cheap. Char.
Actually compared ang prices no sa Bangkok and Laos. And Vientiane actually. So their currencies in kip. So guys, ini-convert nimo sa imong kwarta. My God, milyonaryo! Ang 500 kip, pila man na in baht?
0.6. Di siya kabot og 1 baht. Actually, 0.6 lang siya ang 500 kip. Diba?
Lingaw kaayo guys. Ganahan ko kaya affordable lang. So, muna siya awit na mang-interview taglain friends. Hi, so where did you guys go last night?
We went to the night market and to a mall, and it was very good.
Nice.
Yeah, we should go to the night market. Night market is more better than the mall.
Really? So what's in the mall? Why do you say the night market is better?
Because in the mall everything was almost closed.
Oh.
Yeah,
okay.
and it was too expensive. It was night market, the clothes and everything was more better and more fun loving.
Really?
Yeah, it was more better. We should go to the night market.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. We actually went to the night market, but we just went to see it and then rode the bumper car.
Oh.
Yeah, but I didn't buy any clothes. Maybe I should, because
my clothes, this one is from night market and it was very good and it is very good in quality.
Wow,
so we
nice.
should go guys. If you want to go to coming to Laos, go to the night market for sure.
Recommendation.
Yes.
Okay. Wow. All right. How about you, Deepak? Any other recommendations here aside from the night market?
Yeah, like when it comes to shopping and something like that, better you choose night market. One of the best. Okay, I would suggest I would recommend. And finally and lastly, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button.
Wow.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, thank you. Wow, these guys are amazing. I am so surprised. Okay, thank you. Mani sa mga makita nimo guys, luxury store. Wow.
There is a bit kind of small what do you call a shopping mall kind of stuff where we find only Indian stuffs.
Oh, okay.
But bit expensive.
But it It's good. If you're in Laos, you can come over here at Delhi Darbar. The taste is good. Yeah, but little bit
There's
expensive.
no choice, like, you
Yeah.
need to.
Yeah, because it's pretty much the only one.
Yeah, if you want to have Indian food, you can go to the Delhi Darbar. It's good. Optional.
See, when, especially like, electronic goods, like, especially mobile phones, it's very cheap here. And you can try, like, when you come to Lahore. Yeah, very cheap, I think. You find lot of mobile phone shops, like, in that street, especially in that street. Yeah.
Oh, okay. I've never been there.
Yeah. Yeah. And I would suggest, like, have a look and, like,
Walk around.
and
Enjoy the city.
don't be in a, like, mess thinking that, like, it will be a duplicate or whatever it is. It's 100% original.
Okay.
And I tried I tried personally, and it is original, and like, you will definitely find it, like, very cheap. And this is one of my recommendation. And electronics, mobile phones especially.
There you have it, guys. One more recommendation. So we had a recommendation for Indian food, for electronics, night market. So we will see the Mabuhay Filipino restaurant and see if it really lives up to its name. No, I'm not sure. Have you guys tried Filipino food yet? Not yet. Okay. So Deepak and Sumita will try Filipino food today. Hello, guys. We're at Mabuhay Restaurant. It's here. Just a few minutes walk. Nice. Hello. Pwede po bang mag-vlog? Thai video na ka? Hello. Oh.
Ang gulo pa.
Adi, okay lang po. Mag-order kami ng... Nakakamiss kasi yung Filipino food. So, ano?
Ano po yung dito, yung silog-silog.
Sige lang po. No worries. Hello po.
Tapsilog.
Are nga na uli ka na.
Ponce ka lang ba?
Ngayon uli.
Ano ang mga bagay na sa una?
Dito na kayo.
Di ba malagay ka ang
GoPro.
Sige. So, mag-introduce ta. Si name ni mo ate?
Honey.
Honey. At ate Honey, unsa may work? Ay, hello, yun na una. Sige. Ikaw na lang. Dili, akano na lang mga introduce yourself on unsay work ninyo sa Thailand. Ana, okay. Sige. Gwapa ko. Ana lang. Uy, guys, mauna akong mga friends. Walay ulaway dire. Sige. Ate, hello.
Hello!
Unsay name ni mo, te?
Joanne.
Oh, ikaw po.
Stephanie.
Hi, Ate Stephanie. Nice, welcome to Lao. Nakalaag na ba mo diri sa Lao?
Pero may manting may balik-balik dito una. So, parang nakalaag na jud mi ng mga nalaagan na jud namo.
Veteran na di ay, veteran na. Okay. Ikaw, Ate Honey. Ano? Sige. Okay. Oy. Ate, manay question, a very important question. Single ba ka, te? Kailan na sila? Hi. Cebu.
Hello everyone, this is Mel. It's M-E-L. Welcome to my vlog. Charot!
Ano ba kay Instagram?
Yes, please follow me on Instagram at melguanzon_.
Ang question of the year, single ba ka? Fast talk. Go. Yes or no?
Chocolate.
Hoy, lahi lagi niya ang answer.
Hello.
Ay, mora to hello.
Hi, hello. My name is... I don't know. My name is Vincent.
Vincent. Ikaw?
Hi, John po.
John. Hello, everyone. Hoy. Okay lang, nag-work mo po ko sa school, guys. So, mo to siya, guys. These are my friends, no? Glad to call them my friends here in Lao. And we are gonna be trying some Filipino food. First time for Sumi. How about you, Deepak? You've tried Filipino food before, right?
Yes.
Okay. So yeah, this is the first time for Sumita. So yeah.
See, when it comes to, like, when you guys ask me, like, which is your favorite, like, whatever it is. So I would say, like, I love Filipinos. They're very very kind and very lovely, like, yeah.
Oh, last night karaoke.
No, like that, like, I would say, like, they're very, and again, like, don't forget, like, please subscribe and hit the bell button, okay? Please. Thank you.
guys, naana mo ang food, amo ang Filipino food. So, I got the pork silog with egg, na tomato and cucumber and unsa ni, nice sauce nga na chili. Unsa inyo ang gi-order, guys? Unsa mo gi-order?
Tapsilog.
Tapsilog. Okay. Ikaw?
Tapsilog din po.
Tapsilog. Okay. Hello mga beautiful girls. Unsa yung ipang order? Tapsilog.
Tapsilog.
Okay, ikaw.
Tapsilog. Oh, tapsilog po.
Ay, Tapsilog girls. Ay, Tapsilog representative. Ikaw.
Pork silog.
Pork silog. Parehata. Ikaw.
Tapsilog din.
Tapsilog. Tapsilog girls. Wa ka nag-order? Oh, sige go. Sige go, go. Kaon na ta. Gutom na ta. Oh, sige, sige.
O ka ng royal. Royal na siya? 72. 72. Ilang mo na?
Sila cheese whiz. Oh, Mang Tomas. Nescafe.
Salamat na. Salamat
ค่ะพี่ชื่ออะไรนะคะ
ชื่อนาง
นางโอเคชื่อ
ส
แจม
ลับ
ค่ะ
มา
สลับมา
สลับมา
ขอบใจล่ะ
ขอบใจหลาย
อะไรโอเค Hello guys, so mo ni ang Mabuhay Pinoy Food and Services gikan mi nangaon diri no. Salamat kayo kuya. Kuya, ano pangalan nimo kuya?
Neil.
Kuya Mil, okay. Dugay na ba mo diri nga abri nga restaurant?
Kini na restaurant, bali 6 months pa ni siya.
Bago ba?
Pero 9 months na ko diri sa Laos. 9 years, sorry.
Wow, dugay na.
9 years na.
Okay, sige. Onya kuya, aside sa pagkaon, ako'y nakitaan nga post nga pwede pud matulog dire kung mag-DIY ang mga Pinoy nga mag-visa. Nabay rooms?
Na rooms. Pero karon fully book siya dapat at ang amo ang guest magod kay nag-book na sila sa Agoda or sa booking.com.
Sige, so kung gusto mi magstay dire, let's say kung mag-visa mi, asa man mi pwede makabook sa Agoda? Na ba may website or Facebook?
Pwede mo message sa Mabuhay or sa Agoda mo na makitaan naman ninyo didaan sa open ninyo sa Agoda.
Sige. Thank you kayo kuya. Salamat. Mayong mabuhay. Hello.